Hello, everybody. Hope you are having a blessed morning today, evening or afternoon, whatever. I'm going to read this scripture to you, and it comes from Proverbs 3 and 7 and 8. Run to God, run from evil, your body will glow. Health and your very bones will vibrate with life. Proverbs 3, 7, and 8. Thank you so much. Okay, today I'm going to do something that's going to be simple, but it's short. And this is called Chicken Dumpling Casserole. So what I'm going to be using, you can use leftover chicken, leftover turkey, or whatever you have. A rotisserie leftover, or you can just go and buy a rotisserie chicken if you'd like. So I had some leftover chicken from a rotisserie. And you take it, you do is shred the chicken out, shred it out. And once you shred it, chicken and dumpling casserole. And you use to shred it, can shred your meat out, whether it's chicken, leftover turkey, or whatever. But the first thing you do is you put your butter in the bottom of the casserole. This one's a 9 by 13. And you spread it out. Let the butter spread out. It has to be melted now.
How much butter?
1/4 of a stick of unsalted butter. 1/4 stick. That means half. It becomes into a half a stick of 1 stick. Okay. Now that's the size. Now I guess if you want to use salted butter, if that's all you have, you can use that also. But it calls for unsalted butter. So I'm going to kind of spread the butter in the bottom of the, now this is a 9 by 13 casserole, because sometimes some of my subscribers ask for what size pan was it. So now I'm telling you, this is 9 by 13. And 1/4 stick of butter, unsalted butter. Now I will be spreading, in the bottom of the pan, I'll be putting spread the chicken in the bottom of the pan. Okay, let me see. Okay. So then I'll put the, okay. Let me get my stuff over here. So once I do that, I can, okay, I spread the chicken in the bottom of the pan.
How much chicken are you supposed to use?
Well, you can use, I'm using a little bit more. You can use 3-4 cups, but I had just a little bit more. So I'm using about a cup, and just a cup, and, well, really a good full cup, I'll just say it like that. Because that's what I had, and after I straightened it out, that's what it come to, a little bit more than what the pan, what it was calling for. Okay. Now I have that in there. So the next thing I will be doing, I have a cup of milk. This is whole milk. And I'll be putting it into the bowl. And in here, I have 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 1/4. There's the baking powder over there. Okay. And 1/4 teaspoon of table salt. This is what I'm combining it with. Okay. So it's all combined in here. Okay. So I'm putting it into the milk. Okay. All right. So now I'll put the 1 cup of flour. 1 cup of flour, any kind of all-purpose flour, what it calls for. So you take the whisk, and you beat the flour into the milk. 1 cup of flour. This is the way you do it. You spread out your flour mixture on top. I'm trying to get all of it. It's not that much, so I'm trying to make sure I get all of it out of the bowl. So I have to make sure that my chicken is fairly covered until I get ready to pull it. Pretty much got some of it covered up. Okay. All right, now I will be putting in my cream of chicken soup. Now, cream of chicken soup right here. Okay. I have 2 cups of chicken broth that I'll be pouring in the cream of chicken soup. You can use the same bowl, so I don't have to change bowls. And then I'll just take a whisk and I'll whisk it. So. Pretty much have it all whisked in. So now all I have to do is to pour it over my chicken. And then I'll put it in the oven. So. Okay, So now it's ready to go in the oven. And you start it off at, you cook it for 35 to 45 minutes on 400. And I'll be back shortly after it gets done to show you. This is a chicken and dumpling casserole. Okay, this is my final dish after taking my chicken dumpling casserole out of the oven. So this is the way it looked. But I did add a few mushrooms that I did after I put it in. So this is what you're looking at now. The little black spots it's mushrooms. So
and y'all, she made another pan because the pan she made was very little. So what she did was, with the recipe she gave you, she just doubled it.
Yeah.
In case some people said it's not the same pan, that's why.
Yeah, because somebody probably will notice it's not the same one. So this is the way it looks. Okay. It's smoking hot. Straight from the oven. So if you want to do something like this.
Y'all, this is so good. Y'all sure.
I keep on putting my hand on the hot
Why
pan.
you keep touching the hot pan, woman?
I don't know. I forgot about it.
Y'all, please try this recipe. It's so good, y'all.
Okay. This is so hot. Okay. It is very hot, so I have to hold it out for a minute and really blow because I can't take nothing in my mouth hot.
Y'all, this is so good.
It's very good. Paper. It's very, very good. And it's very juicy and everything. So this is a chicken and dumpling casserole. And I think you all will enjoy it. Just try it. And it's not a lot of trouble. And it doesn't take, it's just one pan or one casserole. And you just drop in nothing but, we have about 5 ingredients. Milk, soup, and butter, and flour.
And chicken.
And the chicken, of course. So what kind of meat you're going to use? Chicken, turkey, or whatever. But it is very good. Very good.
Yeah, it's very good. Oh,
I mean, it is totally off the chain. It is so good. It is really good. So don't be surprised when you try it. Anybody that don't want to take time to make chicken and to make the dumplings, you don't have to do anything. Just beat it up, pour it all in, just like I showed you on the video. Very, very easy. And I know if you have children, anybody that would love this. And it doesn't take it takes about, altogether, with the cooking in the oven, probably about 1 hour and about 20 minutes for you to make preparation.
Y'all, I'm telling you, you can taste the the butter. It's just delicious. I like this better. I think I like this better than I do chicken and dumplings.
Your chicken and dumpling.
I mean, not the casserole.
It's not easier, and it tastes better to me than taking out time to roll out the dumplings and drop them in.
It's very good. Oh my goodness.
I thank you all for watching, and may God bless you to have a wonderful week. Because this was my Sunday dinner. And we had green beans and croissants to go with it. That was it. So thank you all so much. God bless. Have a wonderful week. I will see you soon. Goodbye from Miss Lena with all her love. Goodbye. Y'all have a wonderful time.
And y'all please keep her in prayer because she having a knee replacement surgery too. Please keep her in prayer, everyone. All right. Thank you. Be blessed.